MLOps experiment. So we start with looking at our data set. We have the bank marketing data set, which is from a Portuguese institution, banking institution. It lets us know whether the users will continue their fixed term deposit or not. So, which is given to us in the rightmost column Y, and we can of course explore the rest of the information. So we started with creating an AutoML run for the same, and for that we had to create our for that we need to create a compute cluster. So we created the AML compute with the standard DS12 v2 virtual machine. So you can see it succeeded. And so our experiment ran for 55 minutes. It was a classification task. So the best model was the voting ensemble model with an accuracy of 91.97%. Furthermore, we successfully deployed it. So in our deployment, yeah, as you can see, we have the REST endpoint ready. It's healthy, and Swagger URI application insights, we can also retrieve that are actually already, yeah. So you can see there is some insights we have from the requests we made during testing. So yeah, that is true, this enable true, and we have like a Swagger URI. So Swagger documentation we have ready over here. So we actually used the Docker image of the latest Swagger UI, and we hosted our own swagger.json file downloaded from the swagger.json given over there, and here we can gather insights about the APIs in it. So furthermore, we can check logs, and of course we enable application insights while logging. So we'll go to the terminal where open a fresh terminal. I'll terminate this. So we have this logs.py file for our logs. So we updated our deployment name, and we also enabled application insights. So if I run python 3 logs.py, it should give us the logs, which mostly 200 OK. As you can see, a lot of 200 OK, which is the logs work fine. Furthermore, we can consume our endpoint with the endpoint.py file. We've got the result in a yes or a no, and we have also benchmarked this. So if I run benchmarking.sh, sorry, it's benchmark.sh. So these are the tests we done for the benchmarking, and here are the results. So we then created a pipeline for this with this Jupyter notebook provided to us. So we ran it all and created the experiment over here. So so this is our experiment. We have these runs. So that with the first run was the AML compute AutoML run, which you saw. Then here is the run we have over here. The run completed the AutoML module. And these are both of the pipeline type runs. So, and over here we can have the AutoML completed module for our published pipeline. Not for a published pipeline, for the pipeline. It was a pipeline run. We further published it as an endpoint. So you can see in the endpoint section. Here it is. So you can see this. Oh, that is the different endpoint. Go for the pipeline endpoints. And here we have an active REST endpoint available over here. And that's about our pipeline. We can explore our data, understand our pipeline through this all done at one place, and we also have outputs from our run widget. So that's about it.